Tired of feeling trapped by your mobile carrier? Today we're throwing 3 budget-friendly powerhouses, US Mobille, Visible, and Mint Mobille, into the ultimate cage match to see who reigns supreme. First up, US Mobille. They're all about customization, letting you build a plan based on exactly what you need. Paying for only what you use can be a game-changer. They also boast excellent customer service. Next, we have Visible. They offer a single, simple, unlimited plan, making things incredibly straightforward. Plus, their party pay feature can significantly lower your bill. Finally, Mint Mobille enters the ring. Their claim to fame: massive savings through upfront payments for multi-month plans. The longer you commit, the cheaper it gets. But remember, there are no refunds once you commit. So, who wins? It depends entirely on your needs. US Mobille for flexibility, Visible for easy unlimited, and Mint for budget-conscious commitment. Do your research and find your perfect match.